In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add real-time data within TradingView to improve your stock trading experience. If you're an active trader or even just getting started, having access to real-time data is crucial for making informed decisions and maximizing your trading strategy. So let's dive into the steps to unlock this valuable feature on TradingView. First, open your web browser and head over to TradingView. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the BTC USD chart. This is an example. It doesn't matter which chart you start with, as the steps will be the same across different stocks or cryptocurrencies. Upon reaching the desired chart interface, you'll see various options and tools at your disposal. Next, look for a button titled Highlight. This button is designed to bring your attention to specific options that might be useful for your trading needs. By clicking on this button, you'll be greeted with a range of highlighted options guiding you effortlessly through the interface. Now, with the highlights visible, locate the option that says Learn More. By clicking this, you're opening the door to a wealth of information about TradingView's capabilities and features that can enhance your trading process. Understanding these features better positions you to make full use of the platform's tools. Once you familiarize yourself with the additional information, the next step is to purchase real-time data access. Find the option labeled Buy Real-Time Data. This is your gateway to receiving live updates and accurate market information. By subscribing to this feature, you'll no longer be in the dark about sudden market shifts, which is crucial for anyone serious about trading. If you're hesitant about committing right away, TradingView offers a free trial period. Click on Try Free for 30 days. This trial period allows you to test the waters and determine if real-time data meets your trading needs without financial commitment upfront. Following the trial option, there will be another instance of the highlight button. It's there to ensure you don't miss any critical steps in your subscription process. Click on it, ensuring you've covered everything you need. At this point, you'll need to fill out some information to complete your subscription. You'll find a highlighted area prompting you to type in the necessary details. This typically involves entering your basic contact and payment information, so have these details ready to go. Once you've input all your information, click on the Next button. This will finalize your setup process, moving you one step closer to getting those crucial real-time data updates. And finally, give that highlight button one last click to verify that everything's set correctly and to complete the process. With that, you're all set to start trading with real-time data at your fingertips, empowering your decision-making with up-to-the-minute market information. So whether you're trading stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies, having real-time data can significantly improve your trading strategy. Happy trading, and remember to always stay informed and make smart trading choices.